Good morning everybody, welcome back to another video. As you can see at the minute on the screen, that all I'm showing on here is my shed. That's because I'm going to open the shed up and have 9 rides on Train. He's asleep at the minute and Bob is as well, but I'm going to wake Train. I'm not going to put Bob on because I'll go to my hub in a bit. My dad's taking me today, but I thought I will open the shed up and have 9 rides on Train. I've moved them around again to back to their old position. Oh, it takes me a minute to find the right key. There we go, that's the right one. And there he is. Good morning, Train. And good morning, Bob. Now I'll turn them around again because I really did not actually, well, I liked it, but I wanted to turn them around back how they used to be, and I wanted to see Train's beautiful face. So that's why I've done it like that. So yeah, there's Bob and Train. And we're gonna go on. We're not gonna go. Sorry, I'm gonna get my words, but we're only going to have rides on Train this morning because I've got to go early. I've got to leave the house at 8:10, and yeah. Oh my god! I'm gonna be putting Bob on Saturday, and Train obviously, but I needed to. Yeah, I just wanted to do Train today. So, what we'll do, we'll turn the light on. So, bright in here. Okay, and then I will get Train plugged in. And I've got to get my money out. I've got £6 coins plus 10, the 10s and the 20s, but Train despises 20s, as you all know. There you go, he's turning on.
Version 9.4.
Right. You just watch his screen for a minute while I get these coins. Bob, I'll put you on Saturday. Trust me, I will. Just gotta get £1. There's £2. There's £2 there. Just gotta get the other coins. If so, I'll have to get another coin. 4, 5. And it's raining already. Okay.
Hello, what's your name? Would you like to have a go?
Yes, I would, Train. I'll get the extra £1 out after the guys. Alright. And yeah. Right. You might even just do 3 rides, you never know, so yeah. Just getting in. Oh my god. Right.
Thank you.
Oh yeah. Whatever is press it.
Press the start button to start the ride. Are you ready? Hold tight. Here we go.
Wee! Wee! Do, 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 do. Chase one in. Need the magic roundabout. He's winning. Laser Joe are always all around. Flowers on the front, London in. You to share with you, but the dance around. Come on the magic roundabout. Follow me and you'll be fine. So many friends waiting for you, just for you. Take what handles there alone. What's the magic round you want? Where's for you? It's for you. Ba 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 la 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 ba. Come on the magic roundabout. Follow me and you'll be fine. So many friends waiting for you.
Don't forget, you have more rides left. Are you ready? Hold tight. Here we go.
Whee! Need the magic roundabout. He's winning in. Laser Joe are always all around. Flowers and their friends London in. You to share with you, but the dust will out. Come on the magic roundabout. Follow me and you'll be fine. So many friends waiting for you, just for you. Take what handles there along. What's the magic round you want? Where's for you? The same as that. It's for you. Ba 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 la 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 ba. Come on the magic roundabout. Follow me and you'll be fine. So many friends waiting for you.
Don't forget, you have more rides left.
Are you ready? Hold tight. Here we go. Whee! He's winning. Reggie need the magic roundabout. He's winning. Razor Joe are always all around. Flowers and their friends London in. You to share with you, but the dust will out. Come on the magic roundabout. Follow me and you'll be fine. So many friends waiting for you, just for you. Take what handles they alone. Was your magic round you want? Where's for you? It's for you. The magic roundabout. Follow me and you'll be fine. So many friends waiting for you.
Hope to see you again soon. Have a nice day.
Shall we another go?
Thank you. Thank you. Are you ready? Hold tight. Here we go.
Whee! I did say 3. I did say no rides here. Do 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 do. He's winning. Ouija did the magic roundabout. He's winning. Wizard Joker always all around. Flowers and nothing's left of me. You to share with you, but the death will. Come on the magic roundabout. Follow me and you'll be fine. So many friends waiting for you, just for you. Take what handles there alone. What's your magic round you on? Well, for you, same as it's for you. Ba 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 la 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 ba. Come on the magic roundabout. Follow me and you'll be fine. So many friends waiting for you.
Don't forget,
You have more rides left.
Are you ready?
Hold tight. Here we go.
Here we go.
Whee! Do 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 do. He's winning. Ouija did the magic roundabout. He's winning. Wizard Joker always all around. Flowers and nothing's left of me. You to share with you, but that's well. Come on the magic roundabout. Follow me and you'll be fine. So many friends waiting for you, just for you. Take what handles they alone. What's your magic round you on? Well, it's for you, same as it's for you. Ba 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 la 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 ba. Come on the magic roundabout. Follow me and you'll be fine. So many friends waiting for you.
Don't forget, you have more rides left. Are you ready? Hold tight. Here we go.
He's winning. Ouija did the magic roundabout. He's winning. Wizard Joker always all around. Flowers and nothing's left to me. You to share with you, but that's well. Come on the magic roundabout. Follow me and you'll be fine. So many friends waiting for you, just for you. Take what handles they alone. What's your magic round you on? Well, it's for you, same as it's for you. Come on the magic roundabout. Follow me and you'll be fine. So many friends waiting for you.
Hope hope to see you again soon. Have a nice day.
So the last 3 guys.
Thank you. Thank you. Press the start button. Are you ready? Hold tight.
Here we
Here
go.
we go.
He's winning it. Reggie did the magic roundabout. He's winning it. Ways of Joker, always all around. Flowers and their friends love to you to share with you, but the dust weather. Come on the magic roundabout. Follow me and you'll be fine. So many friends waiting for you, just for you. Take what handles say alone. What's your magic round the world? Where's for you? Soon as that's for you. Ba 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 la 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 ba. Come on the magic roundabout. Follow me and you'll be fine. So many friends waiting for you.
Don't forget, you have more rides left. Are you ready? Hold tight.
Here we
Here
go.
we go.
Whee! He's winning it. Reggie did the magic roundabout. He's winning it. Razor Joker, always all around. Flowers and their friends love to you to share with you, but the dice were out. Come on the magic roundabout. Follow me and you'll be fine. So many friends waiting for you, just for you. Check what handles say alone. Why's your magic round you gone? Well, it's for you. It's innocent. It's for you. Ba 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 la 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 ba ba. Come on the magic roundabout. Follow me and you'll be fine. So many friends waiting for you.
Don't forget, you have more rides left.
Let's go now, train till Saturday.
Are you ready?
Hold tight. Here we
Here
go.
we go.
Whee! Just winning it. Reggie did the magic roundabout. He's winning it. Razor Joker, always all around. Flowers and their friends love to you to share with you, but the days were out. Come on the magic roundabout. Follow me and you'll be fine. So many friends waiting for you, just for you. Take what handles say alone. Was your magic round you on? Waits for you, she's in the sun. That's for you. Come on the magic roundabout. Follow me and you'll be fine. So many friends waiting for you.
Hope to see you again soon. Have a nice day.
Oh, I was enjoying that train. Anyway, I'm afraid, guys, it's time for me to go and put train back to sleep. Can never get out of him, that's it. There we go. Oh, God, I've got out near on to use. I can't get out. There we go, guys. So that was train. Hope you enjoyed this video. Sorry I haven't uploaded him and Bob for a while. I'll just turn him off. I've been so busy. I mean, very busy. I had them on. I had them on yesterday. I had train on. I had Bob on as well. I had Bob on as well, sorry. And then I turned train on last Monday morning, I think it was. Yeah, last Monday morning. Not this one's gone, but the one after. One before, sorry. God, I got a cramp now. So yeah, hope you've all enjoyed this little video of my iconic ride. And yeah, now I'll be back at Morrison's on Tuesday. Not Tuesday, sit down to me that way from there. Here we go. I'm back at Morrison's on Thursday to go back on Friday, and I've had a few presents from me. I've had a certificate, I've had a bottle from them, I've had all sorts. It's really nice of them. But yeah, I'm gonna go. I've got a lanyard as well that I'm gonna wear today as well. But yeah, so that was beautiful train, and yeah, I'll just take a picture of him from there. And there we go. So what I'll do, no, I won't be able to get this video up now until later when I get back. But I will get it up for you about 7ish. So yeah, let's get the key. So yeah, hope you all enjoyed this video, guys, and I will see you later. Bye.